Aerobic bowling. So there's a line of 3 or 2. They bring the ball back to the person. And then if you don't get a pin, you run around the hoop. Bruno, run around the hoop. If you get a pin, you put the pin in the hoop. And then the next person goes. So I have many lines, like 2 or 3 in a line. You can cheer on your teammates. And they run around the hoop. Aerobic bowling. Nice, look how many pins have you gotten. Run it back. Nice job. First time pre-K doing aerobic bowling. I demonstrated it and then I had them help me set up. And I'll repeat this game tomorrow. And we did clean your room before and we did wheelbarrow as our warm-up. So 3 different activities. 9 pins. Good. Now, so they're helping me set back up. Spread them out, Harry. Good job, run it back. Good try. Teddy, go get it.